How to make a suggestion. How about trying something new? Why don't you talk to your teacher? I would recommend going to hospital. Have you thought about making your future plan? We had a problem, but he had some suggestions to solve it. Those people have suggestions to make our community better. Maybe we should practice more. Can I make a suggestion about your plan? Do you have any suggestions? My friend recommended this restaurant. I would suggest you something formal at dinner party. Which shopping mall would you prefer to go? How do you suggest we prepare for the examination? I had advised my son to study every day at home. I would advise you to pack less stuff when you planning for trekking. Is there anything you would recommend for dinner? Would you suggest we plan something else? I would advise you to avoid Kashmir in winter. Do you need CCTV system for your new house?